I'm doing a doggy style. Global Project X-Files.
Hey, what the fuck?
You didn't want it. I gave it to her.
Why do you think I just got up to phone Laura? Why do you think I said ASFL? Hey, there's more, you know. The whole friggin' bag of this shit. Yeah. God, fucking give me a head of shit. Oh my gosh. Who got these? When did we get these? These are a few years old.
They don't taste any different.
I'm just kidding. I bought them the other day.
Oh. You're lying.
Oh no.
I lied.
Nicole, stick it in your mouth.
No.
Come on. Treat it like a blow pop. I mean a lollipop.
Lick it like a lollipop, Nicole.
Oh,
Look, it's right in front of the camera. Hello.
I bet you can't stick two of them in her mouth.
You probably could.
Yeah, Nicole's had practice.
She's so zoned out right now.
I don't need practice.
Oh, the tip fell off. It's burning my teeth. My teethers. That's so wrong. You're like 17, 18.
18.
Okay, so it's legal. Do it again.
I hope you're not recording this. Ah, damn it! I'm not gonna go on YouTube and get yelled at for having sexual contact stuff on.
What?
I'm gonna get flagged.
Your viewing pleasure, Kristen.
That's why you'd be like, oh my god, it's implied butt sex.
Why did anyone eat these alone?
Yeah. Twit Pops are for couples and lovers like me and you.
They
And
are.
Naruto and Sasuke.
Oh my god, how'd you know?
You could be Naruto and I could be Sasuke. And we can be lovers. That was a...
Only if I'm on top.
That top. Two. Do I have to upload these really
Looks like
soon?
I win.
You win? Well, no, I beat you. Wait, you melted yours, you little bitch. I beat you before you went to go do that. So are we having mushrooms and cream sauce? Sounds delicious. I like how you're boiling chicken, by the way. I know! I know it's chicken, Nicole Brain. I saw the bag. Really, really loud. Come on. Come on. Nicole is in love with a British kid. You were. You were so in love with him.
Oh shit.
What'd you Don't say what? That's all I wanted.